Darkness. Darkness is the quality of being dark in color. Darkness. The painting's darkness evoked a sense of mystery and intrigue. Darkness. Brightness. The quality or degree of being bright in color. Brightness. The summer sky's brightness made it perfect for a day at the beach. Brightness. Golden. Golden is having a bright yellow color like the metal gold. Golden. The old book had golden edges, giving it an antique look. Golden. Silver is having a shiny grayish-white color, or the color of the metal silver. Silver. She wore a stunning silver dress to the party. Silver. Pale. Pale is light in color or shade. Pale. Her face turned pale when she heard the shocking news. Pale. Colorful. Colorful is having a lot of different and often bright colors. Colorful. The children's artwork was filled with colorful drawings of animals and nature. Colorful. Cream. Cream is having a light yellowish white color. Cream. One of Bailey's favorite dishes is the creamed corn casserole. Cream. Shape. The shape is the outer form or edges of something or someone. Shape. The children enjoyed cutting out different shapes from colored paper during the art class. Shapes. Center. The center of something is the middle part or point of that area or object. Center. The cake had a cream-filled center that tasted delicious. Center. Circle. A circle is completely round with no edges. Circle. The Olympic rings are 5 interlocking circles representing the continents. Circle. Square. A square is a shape with 4 equal straight edges or sides and 4 right angles that make up 90 degrees each. Square. The children played hopscotch, drawing squares with chalk on the pavement. Square. Star. A star is a shape with 5 or more points representing a star in the sky. Star. The flag of the country had a star in the center. Star. Line. A line is a long, narrow mark on a surface. Line. The teacher drew a vertical line on the whiteboard. Line. Dot. A dot is a small round mark or spot. Dot. The tattoo artist added a dot of blue ink to the design. Dot. Flat. Being flat is continuing in a straight line with no raised or hollow parts. Flat. The paper was flat without any creases or folds. Flat. Round. Round is having a circular shape, often spherical in appearance. Round. The donut was round and covered in sugar. Round.